Look, I need more than just romantic feelings. When shit is frantic, need a bitch to fit the scandals with fucking is killing. To be a villain, have a bachelor and cold feelings. Mind for numbers, say to wonder with this drug dealing. Thug feelings make me a villain to them PH imbalance civilians. Don't let them hurt feelings turn this lesson to a killer. Gang spilling, my prophecy fulfilling. To be involved with a killing must be immune to squilling. Listen, lady, what does it take to get you out of crazy? Pass you a load of 38 and bust some fools who play me. This is how I plan the night. First we ride on the busters, then we dine, eating dinner by candlelight. Be alert and put in work with a thug's pack.